Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I want to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can improve your online presence. Of course, outline your competition and getting more leads, potential new clients. So first things first, I have your website below here, and the first thing that I would recommend you to do is add more content. And in this case, like content besides images and the stuff, words. Wording is very, very important because this is where uh, Google will pick up keywords that you want to be found for. So if you're going to be adding more content, it has to be original, it has to be unique. Most important, it has to include the keywords that you need to be found for, depending on your services and all the things that you do. So that'll be for the home page. Same thing for the other page over here, for example, here the book, let's say. Same thing, you don't have that much about all that information here. That we have more information, we definitely will help you out. If you look at the back end of your website, there's no data here. I'm not explaining this. Organic keywords is where you're being found for, pretty much. You don't have that much traffic, zero traffic going to your website. Um, backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website and will give you power. So these two ratings can increase and traffic can be found on Google as well. So if you don't have any backlinks, that comes from marketing strategy campaign. Um, it can be any other website mentioned in your website, blogs, directories, all the kind of stuff will definitely help you here. So, for example, if I do a search here for business coach NJ, which I believe might be one of the things that you do here, as I saw coaching and consulting with stuff. So if I go here, the first thing you're going to see is the traditional Google Ads. This is where you pay every time somebody clicks on here. If it's not done properly, you can end up wasting a lot of money and not seeing the results that you want. Because whenever someone clicks in the link, it's not going to be a guaranteed potential new client. And next we have the map section. This is very important because regardless of your location, you can target statewide, nationwide, or just certain local areas. For example, Princeton being one of them. You can be definitely here for any of those. But if you're not here, that means that your website is probably not even here. So uh, keep that in mind because 67% of the people that do a Google search don't even pass the top three from the organic results. So that means that they don't go all the way down maybe to the second or third page. So very, very important to know. For the purpose of the video, you can see this one, number one, seems to be a local directory. No, another local directory. I found these guys over here, and I want to pull up the website. For the purpose of the video, I'm going to compare their website to yours. Not really because they do all the same, the same service that you do, but something that we can refer. So you can see here they have a little more content, which is good. They have information about their staff. Doesn't really apply to you, but the context of this is they have more information on the homepage, and that is helping them to rank in the first page of Google. They have services separated by each one of the pages and advanced resources. So, for example, business coaching. You have here to have a little more information. And that's absolutely helping them because if you look at the back end of their website, you can see that they're being found for 56 keywords from their website. It's bringing them around 9 visits a month to their website. They have 85 backlinks. That's not if not only is accurate equal, so you can have hundreds of thousands of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that they need to be found for, this again, this will be completely useless. So, for example, we take a look at the keywords that you're being found for, and business coach NJ. So this is a good keyword. It has an average of 20 searches a month. Two of them are actually going to their website because they're ranking number 4. They just have one spot. Business coach near me. This is another big one. There's 300 searches a month. They're on the third page actually, so they're even getting one page with these 300. So this is something that you can take advantage out of these 300 with the correct content and the correct backlink. You can definitely have a portion of this going to your website. To keep targeting this keyword all over and over again to different pages over here, and you can see that somehow that will bring some value to the website. Um, but again, for the purpose of the video, I don't want to make this too long, but keep in mind, if you're not targeting the correct keywords, you definitely will not have the exposure that you need, and you can take advantage of all of this. So if you like what you hear, if you think they help you out, and even if you have any other questions, I'll definitely be more than happy to answer any of your questions. So our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.